How to do content creation for recruitment? This is the most common questions on my IGDM. So here's a step-by-step guide for you, even if you have never made a single post before. So today we'll start with the image form of content because these are simple, easy to make, low effort, yet highly engaged type of content. To produce this, we'd use Canva because it is one of the best apps for ready-to-use templates. Once you install it, log in and search in the search bar memes, and you will see a list of templates available ready to use. Scroll through these templates, stop at the very first one that instantly reminds you of something from your recruiter life, like a candidate behavior, an interview story, or a client's request. Now I'll select this owl because this owl reminds me of me if I listen any employee talking about a resignation. This is the kind of exact face a recruiter or an HR would make when they hear of any existing employee talking about a resignation. Now when you click a template, you can make the changes in it the way you want. Like in my case, I want to add some text here. So I'll just add a few text and my meme is ready to post. To download it, you need to click here. And I suggest PNG or JPG format because it supports with all the different social media, be it Instagram, be it X, be it LinkedIn, or YouTube. Once your meme is ready to post, the next big question is which platform to use. Now, I recommend X and Instagram because the whole concept of content creation for recruitment is to attract the passive or the untapped talent pool, where LinkedIn is already widely used for this. However, I don't say not to post on LinkedIn at all. Say you're posting on Instagram and X, you can simultaneously post on LinkedIn as well. In short, it's all up to you where you want to post, on one platform, on two platforms, or on all the platforms. When you post on Instagram, try to use your space of caption very well. You should write something about the meme first, and then you can write about the various positions that you're hiring for or any one position that you want to write in detail on it. Do not bombard your caption with too many hashtags because now the platforms do not recommend using hashtags much. In fact, if you use too many hashtags, the platform will consider it as a spam. LinkedIn can also block your account. And yes, the most important, your bio. It should say that you're a recruiter. You can use that bio space to write the common roles that you're hiring for, the locations, more details about the job. You can also write the email ID or the contact number, but there are separate space given by Instagram for it. So I'd recommend you to use the space for more details. And that's all you need to get started. I told you, even if you've never posted any content, this is going to help you. You needed no fancy gears, no editing skills, just practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get. In fact, you'll soon start using the Instagram trending memes. I can make more videos on content creation for recruitment. Just comment content and I'll do it for you. Thank me later.